Hey there, Hopper again. This time we're looking at the King of Dynamism from the Mage of the Ascension Tarot deck. And again, the imagery here draws largely from the imagery associated with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. But in this case, it's a little different. I mean, obviously the imagery is a bit gloomier and more chaotic. But the general feel, the basic behind it is largely the same. This is the king of thought, the man in charge of thinking things through and then making rules that make sense. Dispassionate, so in a negative context, even disconnected from the way that people feel about things. Of course, one of the bad things about being a king is that you're beholden to the laws that you create. So, you have to kind of deal with that. This is very much a judge-type figure, or an intellectual male, maybe even a parent-type figure, if they're disconnected from their family, but also a final arbiter of legal matters. Definitely someone who is deep in thought most of the time. Situations where this card might come up are those times when you need to sit in repose and think things through and then make an assertive decision based on facts and figures alone. Also, if, for example, someone is sitting in judgment on you and ignoring impassioned pleas. They're focused entirely on facts and figures and what actually happened rather than how anybody feels about the situation. Anyway, I've been Hopper. If you like what you hear, please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. And if you're feeling particularly generous, head on over to our Patreon page and maybe give a little donation. Thanks for listening.